Government Peak. Alright, camp time. Government Peak. Made it. 1850. I got 1875. Government Peak. We're gonna make camp. 1870 is what I got. Alright, time to make camp. It's the best I could find. This is my first time ever using this tent. We'll see how it goes. Put it in here somewhere. Right here. Alright. 6:08, sunsets in 2 hours. Oh, I'm golden then. It's gonna be exciting tomorrow, for sure. For sure. All right, blow. What's up? Wasn't that bad. It's there's not enough snow. There's not enough snow, so hopefully when it starts snowing, it covers that up. But I don't know. If it starts snowing, it should cover it. I only need what, 3 inches. I'll shovel some up there later. But nice little step here. On the side. Before I fucking hurt myself. So I got a ground sheet down. I'll get the snow off that and then start laying my stuff out. I guess. Put my bag in there, block some of the wind. We'll try starting the stove here. I got it. It is what it is, I guess. I have a fire. Oh. Yeah. There's too much fuel in there. too much. I think it's okay. Okay, so half a chocolate bar, 2 packages of hot chocolate, fill the whole thing up, and yeah, chocolate I should probably keep semi-warm so it's not solid. And I think I'm gonna have some chicken because something hot seems nice. I'm gonna have some chicken right now. That'll be great. Great. I don't even know. Alpine Air. They're good. Bold, spicy, sweet sauce, chicken, peppers, rice. So I'm watching the start of Top Gear at the moment. I was making dinner. I follow the directions and it's like soup and I'm really upset about it. It's disgusting looking and it looks heavy. And mainly it's heavy. So yeah. But well, here's my tent. So I got this side buried, and I got some sticks, and I got this side buried, and my snowshoes over here have this side buried, and this side, or I have that side, the vent was the opposite of this side, I don't know. This side will stay open inside the tent. I got my sleeping bag, chair, dinner, and it's like soup. I think I burnt my finger. I normally bring rubber gloves and I didn't this time. But yeah, and this bag will just kind of hold that up. Should work. Watch TV, got my stove in case I want to use it in the morning. Got my feet here, trying to at least get my boots warm. I'll stretch that out, I'll put the head real tight up in there and the feet way down there. I lost a lot because I had to cover the 3 sides. But yeah, I'm going to put something on. Attempt to eat my shit. There's no bears out. I didn't see any bears for 5 miles and it was nasty. So fuck it. I put way too much water in this. This is going to be nasty. Or it'll help it maybe break it down more and my body will digest it. Who knows? So it's pretty cool sitting in my chair. Sitting in my chair with tent set up. You could get another person in here. For sure. For sure. But alright. Eat dinner. It's gotten a little smaller in here. There's a good amount of snow outside. But 6:30, I'm gonna get a little more sleep. I got just enough room for a while. And then we gotta pack everything up. Get everything dialed in here. Pack the outside up and start cruising. Good morning. I'm waking up. My tent got a lot smaller. It's late. I slept good. Everything is soaked. It's like, I can't tell if it's raining or snowing what it is. Must still be snowing. I'm gonna get my pants and bibs and stuff on. That way I can get my sleeping bag packed up, all this shit packed up. Put that in there, get my backpack mostly ready. And then go to the bathroom. And then work on the hike out. Yeah, we lost a lot of space. Everything's covered up. But that's what happens when there's no snow on the ground when you're setting up, and then a lot later. Be interesting to see outside. So I'm gonna get this put away. So I can get my backpack thrown in here, and then we are going to go to the P, pick the rest of my stuff up, get set for hiking, and then pack the tent up. Well, good morning. That's why we lost a little bit of room in the tent. All these stakes are going to be a nightmare to get out. Yeah, getting these stakes out is going to be the next big challenge. So as long as I got everything in my sleeping or in my... Sorry. Get everything in my bag, get my bag out here. Try to go to the bathroom, pack tent up. Slept good. Everything went good so far. Just pack up yet. Cold fingertips. I don't want to get my one pair of gloves dry or wet yet. So, yep. The worst part of winter backpacking is this. This is my bathroom. Try to go in my tent. Try. This should go well. Well, we are packed up. We're gonna rock the snowshoes out, or at least for a little bit. Government Peak. Government Peak. Snowshoes. Shed my puffy and give her.